Trails from North Country, Season 1, Episode 2. Annie is very excited. We are at the St. Clair Lake, 6 Mile Lake Nature Preserve, and getting ready to head on a hike. The parking lot is fairly easy to find, although Google Maps is slightly off from where the parking lot actually is. So I believe it was C48 we took coming in through East Jordan, and it's right off of that. There are a couple different trails, one very short one that takes you down to a dock, and then a slightly longer one that takes you to another dock. The St. Clair Lake 6 Mile Lake Nature Preserve has some great informational signage as well as maps for the trail. From the dock off the parking lot, we hiked over to a gravel trail that takes you along through some woods and ferns and onto another boardwalk. You can even take some time to sit down, relax, and enjoy the view. From the dock, we headed back out on the trail, which took us down more boardwalk, onto another trail, and into the woods. The next area was filled with aspen trees. The trail then splits off into two sections. We took the shorter path back to the vehicle. St. Clair Lake 6 Mile Lake Nature Preserve is one of our favorite places to hike. We even saw a yellow warbler and an American redstart. We will be back.